Hello everyone, this is Riya Deshpande and this is the hardware setup for our B project Smart Energy Suite. As per the labeling, you can see the white extension board is the AC supply, the yellow the main meter, whereas this is the Raspberry Pi development board which is used as main processor for the purpose of our project. To the main meter, we have connected two loads. One is the hair dryer and the second one is the incandescent lamp of 100 watt. Now, on the main meter, we can see a PZEM004T sensor which takes the power consumption, calculates the power consumption, energy, power factor, current, voltage and frequency of the combined load or of the main meter, and our algorithm will disaggregate them into appliance wise readings. So let's take a look at our Raspberry Pi interface. So this is our Raspberry Pi interface. We'll run the code. This code takes the values from the sensor, disaggregates them and sends them to the Atlas cloud. So this 1, 2 indicates the number of documents which are getting updated. So now we see 3. Let's switch on the loads. The bulb has been switched off and now we'll also switch on the dryer. Since sufficient readings have been updated, we'll switch it off. We will stop this. And now let's take a look at our Atlas cloud. Even though the values have been updated, we need to refresh this every time. So now, first of all, I request you all to take a look at the actual timestamp in the laptop. It's a Saturday, 29 May 2021 and the time is 18:27. Now we'll verify the same timestamp on our documents here present in the Atlas cloud. So 29th May 2021, time is 18:26. So now let's take a look at the power. So initially when both the devices were switched off, the values were 0. And these values let me just zoom this. Now just the bulb was on. So now we have app 1 as 106, which is appliance 1. And we have app 1 and app 2 when both the appliances were on. So since it's a 100 watt bulb, 106 is the appliance 1 reading which is getting displayed, which is quite accurate. Total power indicates the combined power reading. Thereby, we have taken a single power reading using just one sensor and disaggregated into appliance specific readings successfully. Thank you.